Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix corrupted fonts in Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. On the left side, click on Personalization. Then click on Fonts. Here you will see a list of all fonts installed on your computer. Look for any fonts that are not displaying correctly or show a download icon. Click on the font you want to repair. If you see the option to uninstall, click Uninstall to remove it. If the font is a system font, Windows will automatically reinstall it after a restart. If it is a custom font, click Add Fonts and select a clean version of the font file from your computer. Next, scroll down to the related settings section and click on Adjust Clear Type Text. A window will appear. Make sure the box is checked to turn on Clear Type. Click Next and follow the prompts to choose the text that looks best to you. This helps refresh how fonts appear across your system. Once you complete the ClearType setup, close the window and restart your computer. After the restart, the font display should return to normal, and any corrupted fonts should be corrected or replaced. This is the most direct method in the new Windows 11 layout when the classic Restore option is not available. Thanks for watching.